Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene Ewere. If you're new here and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always clicking on my video. So today I'm going to be doing a mini shelf, like a wall hanging piece, more like a shelf. It's actually a shelf, but I'm going to be making use of popsicle sticks and this glue here to make the shelf. And I have my design already drawn out. Sorry, this is the design. So I just sketched it out and that is what I'll be following. And here are the flowers I'm going to be placing on the shelf. So guys, let's get started. This is a hexagon frame I made, and I'm just going to be using it as a guide to stick my popsicle stick properly, because I don't want any side to look bent or distorted. So I'm just going to follow the side and properly stick my popsicle sticks together. And please, when adding your glue, make sure you add enough glue that can stick the popsicle sticks together. As you can see, I had like one popsicle stick falling off, and I had to stick it again with my glue. So when applying your glue, please make sure it's enough to stick your popsicle stick together. So I'm just going to be sticking this other part. I'm going to be attaching it to the first hexagon frame I made. After sticking the second hexagon to the first one, I decided to still use the first hexagonal frame as my guide to stick the sides of the other parts together. And this is what I'm going to be doing, just to get an accurate placement of the popsicle stick before sticking the sides together. When placing your sticks, make sure they are properly placed before you attach them to avoid distortion of your hexagon form. So I'm just going to continuously attach my popsicle stick till we arrive at the final results.
No, I'm not a saint. Is anybody these days? Oh, I've been a liar. Pointed a finger when I started the fire, and I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you. After the hurt and the heartbreak, you made me believe in something new. Baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices, but my past lovers were wrong. Knew it from how their love was given. I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now with no sinners, breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without you, love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you give me reason to believe that it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church, and take me to church, and take me to church with your love. Take me to church, get me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now, no sinners, breaking my heart.
So guys, I'm done, and you can either choose to spray this to any color of your choice: white, black, gray, gold, silver, or just use the natural color of the popsicle sticks, which I'm going to be using. So guys, now I'm just going to be stacking these popsicle sticks because I want it to serve as a base. So I'm going to stick everything, like stack it up. Stack it up like this. so it can serve as a base for holding the flower vase. So this is where I'm going to be putting it, here, and here. Let me just put it so. The middle here. So I'm just going to start by stacking it on this particular side. I think I'm going to shift the camera closer so you all can see what I'm doing.
All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child I watched them grow out of only seeds. Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something quite as right as this. Not even late at night, in my wildest dreams. And I can feel the world changing around me. I just wish they also feel all this energy. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Look in my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need.
The good thing about this shelf is that you can decide to increase the number of shelves, make it 4 shelves, 5 shelves, 6 shelves, any amount of your choice. But I'm just going to be doing 3 shelves. Maybe if I feel like adding one more shelf, I could actually add one, but for now I just want 3 shelves. So guys, we've been successfully able to finish this shelf, and I know it's going to be very cute. This is what it's like. Don't know, let me try and show it this way. Although it's fragile, but this is what it looks like. I'm going to place it on the wall. Like you can see these protruded parts. This is for the flower vase. This is where I'm going to place the flower vases so they can stand, like sit on it properly. So guys, we're done, and this is what the shelf looks like. So I'm just going to be placing this on the wall, then I'm going to put out a video, like I'm going to add the video, like the picture of how the shelf looks like. So guys, please, this is where I'm going to end this video. I hope you were able to learn something, like learn how to make a shelf. So bye guys, and sorry, before I go, do not forget to subscribe, Do not forget to like, do not forget to share my videos and comment on my videos, and also turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So bye guys.
Sexy.
So guys, you can decide to just place just 2 flowers on the shelf, or you can decide to place them in any form you like, any way you like. You can decide to just place just 1 flower on it and just play around with your placement of your flower. And I decided to just add one more shelf to this shelf. I ended up making it 4 shelves, and that is just the advantage of this shelf. You can decide to add as many shelves as possible. So here I added 1 more shelf to make it 4.
Sexy.